A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to our video of this 2018 registered on a 67 plate, 2 owners, and a white, an Alpine white BMW 420 diesel 8-speed ZF gearbox sport 4 series coupe. What a Bobby Dazzler this vehicle is. An absolutely stunning looking car with fabulous amounts of BMW factory fitted extra options added to the vehicle. It's just covered 33,000 miles. What a low mileage. The average miles per gallon, and bear in mind we've been running it around locally, is over 44 at the moment, so if you're on a budget, this is the car for you. It looks brilliant, it drives brilliant, it has the 8-speed automatic gearbox with Tiptronic paddle shifters on the steering wheel, voice activation for the media. It also has rear privacy glass, has its beautiful upgraded wheels which we've just had sandblasted and powder coated into hybrid black. Don't they look absolutely brilliant? Thank you Steve at John Wilkinson, our local powder coater. And we've had Peter from BCP Detailing do his magic on the bodywork, and what a finish he's achieved with this one. And we've had the car just over a week, so we do take a few days to put them on sale to this standard, but absolutely one reason why we've never ever had to take a car back in 27 years. We've delivered cars all over the UK since 2011, and everyone who has had a delivery, some of the people have become clients again with another car, even 2 or 3 cars. So we're absolutely comfortable with that. Whoever chooses this car will be delighted with it. Finished in Alpine white. We have added these beautiful double high gloss black front grills just to give it a little bit of a lift, and we do think they do enhance the vehicle. YK67 ESR, and the owner, a lady owner actually, not too far away, in just close to Bury in Greater Manchester. So we had a very short train journey up to meet her and her family. Vehicle has just in October had a major service, including front brake pads, fuel filters, air filters, pollen filters, engine oil, and an MOT in February of this year. So 2 front tyres are relatively new, not very old at all, and the rear tyres are in good condition as well. There's probably about 6mm on the fronts, the hand coupes. And the wheels, as I have said, are freshly powder coated after being sandblasted, so really nice, unmarked windscreen, original windscreen BMW, I think it is. Let me just make sure. Yes, BMW windscreen. It's got the emblem in the windscreen. It has also heated and electric front seats with extendable front knee support here. Lovely. There is your electric passenger seat, and you have the same on the driver, apart from the driver having a memory function. That gearbox, goes without saying, is absolutely solid. One of the best gearboxes ever. It's so good that they've not really changed it, in my opinion, from my knowledge, for the last decade. It's a fantastic gearbox, a ZF gearbox. Also has heated and folding wing mirrors. There's my finger. Heated and folding wing mirrors. So that means that they're heated and they fold in electronically, but also fold in once you press the remote fob onto the car and you hold your finger on the close button, it will fold the wing mirrors in, as well as you can do it manually, of course. And that on the handles means that it's got comfort access, so you've got no need to blip the key. You can simply just bring your hand onto the handle, pull the handle back, it will open the car, and you put your finger on that for a few seconds to lock it. You can of course use the key in the old-fashioned way. LED lights front and rear, good sized boot, which is also you can put your foot under the bumper and it will open the boot. How good's that? But that is the boot, and you've also have the folding seats just by bringing that lever towards you. One of the backrests will fold down. I think you just have to put your hand on it to bring it forward, but nevertheless it's there. So with heated seats, there are electric memory seat, there are comfort access, including the boot. What else have we got? Privacy glass, we've gone through the privacy glass, haven't we? It's obviously black leather inside, or leather effect anyway. Some of the seat will be leather. Automatic headlights and daylight running lights. We have 2 key fobs. So we have both key fobs. I'll just turn the music down a little bit. 33,254 is the mileage. 33,254, absolutely guaranteed. There's your voice activation. I'll just demonstrate that to you. Cancel.
Cancel.
Excuse me. That's your voice activation, and there's your paddle shift to the up gear and paddle shift for the down gear. You can use it through the gearbox itself. We're just about to take it to our workshop partners for its PDI. We've noticed the rear brake pads are changeable with, well, inspection at 4,300, so as part of our inspection process, if they do need changing, we will be changing the rear brake pads, as well as anything else that Andrew and his team may find upon inspection, although I don't think they'll find very much, but it has got a full service history. So the first service was BMW, and then we've had 2 independent services since then. Joanne purchased the car from BMW Williams in Manchester as a used vehicle, so it had passed through their hands prior to ourselves buying it directly from Joanne. In the console is a USB port, so you're able to transfer your music, and it will do so. It actually, let me just go through the messages. Oh, remote battery, remote control needs changing in the battery, so I'm going to BMW next week anyway, so I'll get a battery. I think I might have a battery for it actually. I think I was gifted a battery from Bluebell Crewe a few weeks ago, so that's your key fob. Needs a new remote, or we're getting a little bit low, so we'll make sure that gets changed. And heated seats just there, 3-stage heating. CD, how good is that? CD. Front and rear parking sensors, and there's the usual BMW fare of the control media. So a really nice car. Also got speed limiter just there. Does it have cruise control? Let me just see. Cruise control, it does, yes. I'm just being mindful of telling you these things because we don't want to mislead anyone with any information. The 1 or 2 stone chips on the outside, not worth mentioning because there are very few, and they've been touched in by yours truly. So not many at all. You can buy it with absolute confidence. And there are the wing mirrors. Let me just give you the press of the, there you go, you see it folding in. You won't find a better 2018 67 plate 4 Series. I'd be very surprised if you could even find one as good as this, but there'll be one somewhere because we do find them here. And but feel free to have a look around. This would go on to any BMW dealer's forecourt straight away. There aren't many people at this level of business that will machine polish and put a ceramic wax on a car for you and not charge you. This is all part of the pricing structure and the service that we offer here, and one of the reasons we've been in business 27 years is that we do exactly what we say we do, and we deliver exactly what we say we are going to deliver. So it's available with car finance, part exchange. There will be a YouTube, well, this is the YouTube video, so if you're watching it on YouTube, welcome to our channel, and please do subscribe. We have almost 1,600 subscribers and 1.2, I think, 1.2 million views on the channel. Little did I know all those years ago that we would be passing 1 million views on the channel, my word. That's David Bilsborough, business owner here at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. I'll have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.